You see, my mother doesn't love me. And why would she? She likes life, bright clothes. And I'm already 25 years old, a sufficient reminder to her that she's no longer young. When I'm away, she's only 32. In my presence, she's 43. And she hates me for it. I love my mother. I love her devotedly. But I think she leads a stupid life. She adores modern stage, where those mighty geniuses, those high priests of art, show us people in the act of eating, drinking, talking, walking, wearing their coat, and attempt to extract moral from their insipid talk. She adores modern stage and imagines that she is working on it for the benefit of humanity, for her sacred art. And I'm tired of it. Plain human egoism sometimes speaks in my heart, and I regret that my mother is a famous actress. If she were an ordinary woman, I think I would be a happier man. Personally, I am nothing. Nobody. I pulled through the third year of my college by the skin of my teeth, as they say. And I have no money, no brains. And in my passport it simply says a citizen of Kiev. Well, so was my father. But he was a famous actor. When the celebrities that frequent my mother's drawing room deign to notice me at all, I know that they only look at me to measure my insignificance. I read their thoughts and I suffer from humiliation.